to look into the issue of recruiting teachers who are qualified in counseling, guidance and counseling and psychology, so that these kids can be talked to. Because if we don't arrest the situation, we will not have youth of tomorrow. We'll have many teenage pregnancies. The situation will go, will come to bring about crimes in the society. And so as leaders of today and tomorrow, we need to come together, have those chief barazas, the community leaders, the church, so that we can talk about this issue. And I ask you as the media personnel, the media fraternity, to come and aid us in airing these issues that we are trying to talk about. Rita Mary Omigiro, a woman aspirant in Nyamira County. Tuachire iga aise Kitutu South. Iga stocha kuigole skuru eyekorokunga Dr. Zakari Onyonka. Muma ita masomo nale wate equalize ekolengani abataka nabanda. Lakini esebu wangu ya Nyamira yaitu na Kisii County Gusii in general tuanyori obokongo bonge skuru kwa sambwa abana ko riots paka bali mbawutinto okora abana abange bachirenka skuru kya sekiru ebintu byagire ngotebeiga eserikali yetu no ni ntu asobwamo tutakire tuikaranse tuligiringa yobokongo boruwerete tutakire tu ntu abayibole kira abana bagochanka most of the time totenga tiga abalimu babakonyera lakini ntu bwate jukumu enene abana abekero bachirenka tutakire tubakwanire nende ngoteba abalimu bali baita abange bakorete kuruchi bagwati degree in guidance and counseling batalikiri skuru nyinge njibwate balimu aba onye to gochigokonya abana aba bakine koba abana baya in the future was responsible kind of people tutakire tulika abalimu aba abange aba guidance and counseling babe ku skuru cheito ba reso bokungumole ndoko chaka paka ya ikirese ikiri ya mana kubendo kuna ni jack reaction nga kwaro mo chando chito na litoko chaka ko yoshugulikira nene ngo kwandira iga chikansa cheito chief community leaders yabire umo chando monene bono tutakire tuyibne emergency kanga bono tutakire tore chi committee changire kubiko media buna inu anto wa media pia mutakire motokonye mutorangeli tuikanse buna iga toru ogosemi gweito tukwane na abana aba maybe o problem ere nene kubwa muna toroche kurwagu tumakonya abana abaito gekogenderega ndo gutwara ba youths banke na abana abangi bagochaka iga we love many school dropouts bali bagotigere school nchera nende young ladies who are having children, that's young mothers, so tieto echake mapema una incho women rep incoming